She walks slowly to the edge of the pier. The water teems with the ghost of the past that she fears. Her head clears and reflects on the sea. This beauty means something, some deep mystery. So she stands thinking of the life she's received. She weeps softly as she falls to her knees. These hopes she's held seem like shattered dreams, and it feels like this world's come apart at the seams. She leans over and her heart skips a beat. She creeps closer to the edge of the deep while angels weep. This world slips into sleep. She's alone on an ocean that's wild and free. But see,
halfway down is halfway back to your arms of grace. If she hits bottom, she will know you and know herself. Oh, oh, you don't have to go. No, there is someone out there who loves you, knows the pain you do. Oh, oh, you are not alone. No, there is someone with you who loves you always.
She turns her head to the stars in the sky. Her mind races with questions. These grows and decides, like, why is she not beautiful in anyone's eyes? And does it matter to this world if she lives and she dies? The past crashes around her. She breaks down and cries. The last ashes burn out. She despises this life, but hope calls out the promise of reason and rhyme. When love breaks through the universe from infinite time. Why?
Halfway down is halfway back to your arms of grace. If she hits bottom, she will know you and know herself. Oh, oh, you don't have to go. No, there is someone out there who loves you, knows the pain you do. Oh, oh, you are not alone. No, there is someone with you who loves you always.
Her mind races through the faces that she used to know. She bears the traces of the places that she used to go. Her life is wasted. She hates that she threw away everything lovely. But something stirs within her as she stares at the sea. Her thoughts blur and the world doesn't feel so empty. Her heart is turning like the churning waves when she hears you speak softly.
Oh, you are not alone. No, there is someone with you who loves you always.
The dawn breaks, the night disappears. A warm light hits her face, drying her tears. This world opens, and while in hope she stares, life awakens to the day in the crisp morning air. Her heart is strangely warmed at the sights and the sounds. It feels like grace swarms when the lost has been found. Creation sings while the feet hit the ground. She stands proud, now forgiven in love unbounded. She turns slowly and walks from the pier, still stirred by the movement of the transcendent near, who blurred the memories that used to be fears and cleansed all the secret demons she had carried for years. It's clear.
Halfway down is halfway back to your arms of grace. Well, she hit bottom and she found you waiting.